Hello, everyone. My name is Amit. I'm the CEO of Neura. Neura is an AI company on a mission to fundamentally change the way products interact with people. In the last 20 years, we consume digital experiences which are being personalized by web behavior data. This has contributed to the evolvement of some of the largest companies today: Google, Facebook, Amazon. And then in the last 10 years, there's been a transition between consuming digital experiences on the web to the real life. And there is huge need for personalization, which is based on real life behavior. I'll give you some examples from my day. I woke up this morning, 6 a.m., hectic house, 2 kids, and I need to get to Tel Aviv for my meetings like every other Wednesday. And I really needed the rideshare app to book a car for me, and even better, to have the car ready at the moment I need it. But it didn't. So I had to go and pick between the different services and book the car myself. And then halfway to Tel Aviv, I realized I'm not sure if I turn on the alarm system, the home security system or not, and I really needed my home security system to notify me, or even better, activate that for me. But it didn't. And then tonight, I'm going to be on a midnight flight from Tel Aviv to San Francisco. Wouldn't it be awesome if my insurance company would activate travel insurance for me? We have wonderful services at our fingertips, and they're unable to anticipate my needs and proactively approach me and serve me. Actually, when I was sitting there at the staging area waiting to get on stage, I got a notification from the online streaming app letting me know that the recent episode, the latest episode of my favorite show is available now to watch. That was proactive, but not the right moment. So clearly there is a gap here. These services are unable to adapt themselves to me and anticipate my need and serve my needs in the right moment. And Neura solved this gap. We deliver personalization, which is based on real world. We discover engagement opportunities. Engagement opportunities, the meaning of that is delivering the right service to the right person at the right time. That's me, for example, hard worker, father of 2, busy person. I just left home. I was the last one to leave home. That's the right time to arm my home security system. A couple of other examples. That person here, late riser, business traveler, just got up. His preferences is to listen to the morning news. And for her, early riser, she's leaving home, she doesn't own a car. For her, it's about booking a ride. And leveraging on these real-world engagement opportunities have major impact. 10x improvement in engagement, 30% increase in retention, 150% increase in revenue per user. This is a case study we've done with one of our customers, a German customer in the healthcare industry, over the course of 9 months with 100,000 patients. On the left, you see successful engagement ratios. In red, the baseline, 8%. In blue, the result after 9 months with Neura, 70%. They're delivering the right service, the right offering to the right person at the right time, so they engage better. And now the whole experience of the product is much more contextual and relevant. So the retention rates are much better. And the most important, the revenue per user is up 150% after the 9 months of the case study. How did we do that? We do things differently. We didn't listen to the classic web data and in-app analytics. We listened to the real-world data. Our machine learning algorithms uncovering needs. And they do that by constructing 2 elements. The first element is who each user is. What are your preferences and needs? So we can adapt the product to you. The second element is what each user does in the real world, so we can deliver that specific offering at the right time, at the key moment. And here is me, workaholic, punctual, business traveler, avid runner. This is me in the real world. And on the right-hand side, these are key moments throughout my day. I woke up, sleep deprived, have to run. I have time barely for coffee. I'm about to leave home. That's the last opportunity to remind me to take my medication. Commuting to work. Now I like to listen to the radio. Idle for 2 hours. That's a time to have content, new stuff. On the way to the gym, etc., etc. The impact of understanding who I am, adapting to that, and what I do and reacting to that is huge. That's what creates these valuable real-world engagement opportunities. Neura creates and owns a unique and valuable data asset. For millions of people, we create their behavioral profile, the collection of what they do in the real world. From that, we extract their persona, who they are in the real world. This is me, male, 30, 40, married, father of 2, lives in the suburbs, healthy lifestyle, avid runner. This is me in the real world. And then we analyze how we react to different call to actions, how we engage. And then we understand the decision-making process. And from that, we can uncover the preferences and the needs of each individual. Our customer results show that the transition from classic web-based top-down segmentation of audiences to real-world, individual by individual engagement at scale has major effect, 10 times more efficient engagement. And we do that for digital health, and we do that for smart home, we do that for insurance, for transportation, and other fields. Now take it to the world we live in. Mobile first, always connected world. 5 billion people utilizing 5 billion mobile users utilizing 5 million mobile applications. Imagine the impact of this technology on user experience. Imagine the impact of this technology on the business performance of the products that can utilize that, adapt to my preferences, identify my needs, and proactively serve me at key moments of my day. This is how Neura already changing the world, changing the way products interacting with people. Thank you.